Hello everyone, my name is Dustin, founder and CEO of Beast Trading Software. Guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to another new video. Today's video is all about the Breakout Beast EA. I was actually looking at my channel yesterday, looking at all the videos, and I realized that I hadn't made a video on the Breakout Beast in quite a while. So I thought, let me make one and show you what the EA has been up to. Let me show you how it's been trading recently for you to get an idea and see how the account is doing. Now, before I get stuck into the details of the video and the Breakout Beast, if this is your first time visiting the channel, thank you for stopping by. If this is your first time watching one of these videos, thank you for watching. If you do like this video, please do hit that like button. It really does help the channel. And if you're not subscribed to the channel just yet, or if you haven't subscribed already, please do hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to date with all the latest videos that I do release. Alright, getting the formalities out of the way, let's see where we are. So, for those of you who are not familiar with the Breakout Beast or how this EA has been trading recently, I'll just catch up pretty quickly. I'm going to jump over to my FX book to actually show you the history of this EA, the history of this account, so you can get an idea and see what's been going on. All right, let's go. All right, so here we are on. Whoop, I lost it. Let me get it back again. Here we are, this is the MyFix book account. This is visible, so you guys can go and check this account out anytime you want. The link is there, or you can always just find the link on our website. And you can always find it here, Breakout Beast EA. So this is the account here. You can see this started way back in July last year. Initially trading the US 30 only, the Dow Jones, and that's pretty much what we were trading the whole time. After some time, though, I had a few requests from some users asking if it can trade on more other pairs, and yes, it can. I did add the pair pound and dollar, which initially had been trading pretty well, and it was working out pretty good, but unfortunately the pound dollar wasn't doing very well over around the November period. The pound it wasn't having any good breakouts. It was consolidating a lot. There was a lot of ranging, and unfortunately for a breakout type strategy, the pair didn't do well, and the account lost. As you can see here, we had quite a lot of losses, especially over December. But then again, also based on it was the end of the year, and it was the December holiday period, so things weren't going too well. You can see here in November, the losses started going down, and continuing into December, losses continued. And then this is where I decided to change things up. I decided to actually stop trading the pound dollar pair, and I went back to trading only the US 30, which is what this year was originally created and optimized for. And since I did that, things have started to turn around. You can see now, as throughout January going into February, things started going up a bit. Had a bit of a dip here, but now we are back into recovery, and the account is coming back up. The highest point we reached on this account was 74%. That was a high in, when was that? That was in mid-November, and now we're back up to 52% profit, which is pretty good. With 52% profit in less than a year of trading is pretty decent. We're averaging just under 6% monthly with under 30% drawdown. Unfortunately, this drawdowns did peak due to those losses, and if I actually just click on the drawdown for you to see the drawdown data, here you can see this is where we had the drawdown. It's not that hard, but then again, you can always lower the risk if you want, which is entirely up to you what risk profile you want to trade with. And that is it. So this is where we are right now. The account is sitting up around 50%, 52% profit, getting back up to where the account was before we hit the losses over December last year. And if we can let me just scroll down for you to see the other info. Sorry guys, my VPS is lagging a bit. So there we go. January wasn't a good month for us. Coming out of December holidays into January, the pound didn't do well for us at all. Last month was break even, but this month we really managed to recover, trading the US 30 exclusively with new settings which I have optimized, and all of the users, all of my clients that are using this EA all have this latest setting, and they are all doing very well this month, and they're all very happy. I just want to go actually to the history, so for you to see. No, it's not that way I want to go. I want to go up here to the summary. I want you guys to see the summary. So here you can see the pound. You can see the stats of the pound. The pound really didn't do well. This is why I actually cut it. It's lost 59% of the account. This is actually where I actually lost a huge amount of the account. A lot of the losses, if I actually hadn't traded this pair, the account would be almost 60% more in profit. But anyway, it is what it is. Russell 200, this was actually a mistake I had. One of my clients was actually asking if it can trade in Russell, and I did a test and I accidentally loaded the EA onto the chart, and the EA opened a trade. So this was just a once-off trade, which I did by mistake. And then the majority is on US 30, which is sitting on 56% profit in overall. So those are the stats. This I want to show you. I'm going to jump back to the chart for you to see how the EA is done. Looking to yesterday was pretty good. We had a nice break out to the lower side. Dropping down, we're taking out take profit 2 before the EA closed the order for the end of the session. Yesterday, the day before, we had an initial, this we call this a fake out. So we had a little push up to the high, but the buying power was not strong enough and the sellers took over. It reversed, opened a recovery sell order, and it went and hit take profit. Let me see if I can go back a little bit more and see what's going on here. So then the day before that, this was just a picture perfect trade. We had a very nice sell there, went right in and hit take profit. The day before that, we had a sell which did initially go to take profit, but then did close in a small loss, unfortunately. This EA success rate wise or hit rate wise is sitting on around just over 50%, which, you know, in terms of hit rate is on the lower side, but this EA does use a 1-to-3 risk reward ratio. So when you're looking at a 50% success rate and a hit rate of 1-to-3, the profit pays off. I mean, one take profit can pay for 3 losses. So we use a very good risk-reward ratio. This EA uses a very good risk-reward ratio so that the wins outweigh the losses. So when you do take a loss, it's only a small percentage of what the wins are. So the overall result is positive profit. So this is where we are with this EA. This EA is doing pretty well, I think. And I'm looking at today's price action. Let me just zoom in a bit. Looking like we're going to have a break up to the outside. The US 30 has pretty much been trending to the upside pretty much the whole day, going into New York session as well. So London session was moving up, New York session probably looking like a continuation. So when this candle closes, more than likely it's going to open an order. And looking at the time now, it's going to open an order in the next 5 minutes. So we're looking at a buy trade for today, and hopefully the prices will continue and it will be another win for us. Guys, if you're interested in purchasing this EA, you can get it on our website and you can get it on MQL5. And as a matter of fact, I just want to mention there is a promotion at the moment exclusive to MQL5. If you purchase any one of my products, you'll get another product for free. So if you purchase this EA on MQL5, you can get the Beast Super Signal EA for free. So you're basically getting 2 for the price of 1. It's a really great deal. If you're thinking about getting into the Beast trading software ecosystem, if you think about getting one of these EAs, maybe you're looking at the Beast Super Signal EA, you can take a look at that as well. The same promotion applies. You can purchase the Beast Super Signal EA on MQL5 and you will get this EA for free. So there's a fantastic promotion at the moment. If you are looking to get this EA, head over to MQL5, pick up this EA, then contact me, let me know that you purchased this EA, and I will send you the Beast Super Signal EA for free. It's a fantastic deal, exclusive to MQL5. If you don't want to purchase on MQL5 and you want to go through my website, you're more than welcome to do that. The prices are actually a little bit lower on my website due to the fact that I'm not giving a second EA away. So you can always head over to my website and get the EA from there as well. If you have any questions on the Breakout Beast EA, please comment down below. You can always reach out to me by email. You can reach out to me on social media. I'm available on MQL5, so multiple ways of contacting me if you need to, and I'll be happy to answer all of your questions. All right, guys, thank you for watching, and happy trading. Cheers.